Okay, hello grade 9 and welcome to the August 2023 digital homework. So following on from last month, we are going to continue looking at energy, and as you can see here it says energy adds up. So after this you're going to be able to describe the energy before and after a change, explain what brings about changes in energy, so why energy changes, and we're going to start with conservation of energy. So energy cannot be created. Now this is a very important point in physics. We cannot make energy. We can only change the kind of energy it is. That also means we can't destroy it. We only change it from one thing to another, and the common thing we're going to be changing it to is heat. When we do something, when we use something in electricity, when we drive a car, it makes heat. Okay, so energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred. This is the law of conservation of energy. So we can store energy in different places. So there's energy stored in fuels and food, and the fuels that we use a lot will be gas, diesel, petrol, wood, charcoal when we have a barbecue. The energy in food and in fuels is in what we call a chemical store. Energy is transferred from the chemical store when we burn it, or we use the calories in food to move around, to breathe, to stay alive. When we change the form of the energy, we say it is transferred. So there we have some examples. Food, fuel cells or batteries are chemical stores. Something that's hot has thermal energy. Something that is moving has kinetic energy, and if something is high up, we say it has gravitational potential energy. And in elastic, when we stretch it, we say it has elastic potential energy. So an example, lunch, unburnt fuel, oxygen in soup, we cook it, we've got less fuel, so we've got less chemical store, we've got less oxygen, and we've got hot soup. Energy in the chemical store has been changed to thermal energy. Okay, transferring energy. Electric current, light and sound are ways of transferring energy between stores. When we use our phone, there's less energy in the chemical store in the battery, and the phone will get hot, and some of the air around the phone is going to get hot. Full battery in the phone, empty battery in the phone, and if we're using our phone too much, it's going to get hot. How can we waste energy? So you can see in the thermal camera there, we want most of the energy to make the car move, but unfortunately some of the heat is wasted and it makes heat, and that heat travels through the air and into other things, and when the energy is moving away, we say it is dissipated. Okay, and when we talk about saving energy, we really mean saving fuel. Energy is always transferred, so we can't save it. What we're trying to do is make sure that we transfer as much energy as is possible to what we want it to do. So in the car, we want the energy from the petrol, the energy from the diesel to make the car move, not make sound or make